In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Firefox extensions. First, let's start by opening Firefox. You'll see the familiar browser interface that allows you to navigate the web. This is where you can access all the features and functionalities that Firefox has to offer. Opening the browser is the first step in enhancing your browsing experience with extensions. Once you have Firefox open, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, click the menu button, which is represented by three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the window. This menu button is your gateway to various options that Firefox provides. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with different choices such as options for new tabs, settings, and more. It's essential to locate this button as it helps you navigate through Firefox's many features seamlessly. From there, select Add-ons and Themes from the menu. This option is crucial because it takes you to the area where you can find and manage all your extensions. The Add-ons and Themes page will load, displaying various categories and options available for customization. You will feel empowered as you see how easy it is to personalize your browsing experience. Now, you have two options available to you. You can click on Recommendations, which will show you a curated list of popular extensions. Alternatively, you can click on Find More Add-ons to open the Firefox Add-ons website. This site contains thousands of extensions designed to enhance your browsing experience. Exploring this site gives you access to a wealth of tools, whether you need productivity enhancements, security features, or fun customization options. At this point, you can also go directly to Mozilla's add-on store. This store is filled with countless extensions for Firefox, all designed to enhance your web experience. You'll see categories and search options that make it easy to find what you need. This is important because having the right extensions can significantly improve how you interact with the web. Now, let's search for the extension you want. You can either type the name of the extension directly into the search bar or browse through the categories. This step is vital because it allows you to pinpoint the exact tool that meets your needs. Once you find the extension, you'll notice a clear Add to Firefox button that stands out on the page. After clicking Add to Firefox, you will be prompted to review the permissions that the extension requests. This is a crucial moment as it ensures you understand what access the extension will have. It's always wise to read through these permissions carefully. Once you are comfortable with them, click Add to install the extension. This action is essential because it ensures that you are fully aware of what the extension will do and how it will interact with your data. Once the installation is complete, you can manage your extensions easily. To do this, return to the menu button and select Add-ons and Themes. Then navigate to the Extensions section. Here you can enable, disable, or remove any extensions you have installed. This level of control is significant as it allows you to tailor your browsing experience continually. By managing your extensions, you can ensure that your Firefox remains efficient and secure. Remember, Firefox only allows extensions from trusted sources, and it may block unverified add-ons for security reasons. This built-in protection is there to keep your browser and personal data safe. With these steps, you can confidently enhance your Firefox experience with the right extensions. Enjoy exploring the many possibilities that Firefox has to offer.